Hi guys, today's lesson, we're on lesson 13, we're on inequalities. So first of all, let me number what problems and questions we'll go over this video. So for part 1, we'll go over all the odd numbers, so 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For part 2, we'll go over the first 4 questions, so 1, 2, 3, 4. For part 3, we'll go over questions number 1, questions number 2. So, number 1, solve x plus 5 is less than 12. So, when you're solving equations or inequality equations, you can treat these as similar to the equal sign. There's not much grade of a difference in the solving system. However, there is one difference we'll go over later, probably in future lessons. So, just x plus 5 is less than 12. Subtract 5 on both sides because you have to leave x alone and get x is greater than 7. Number 3. X minus 4 is greater than or equal to, this is the equal to sign, the line on the bottom, equal to 10. So add 4 to each side. X is greater than or equal to 14. Number 5. What symbol means greater than or equal to? We just went over this. This symbol is a greater than, and then the line on the bottom means equal to. A way I learned how to know which one's great, which arrow facing which side is greater than or equal to, I was taught the alligator method. So think of the inequality sign as an alligator. It always wants to eat the bigger number. So here 2 is the greater number. This is how you know what's the greater than sign. The alligator always eats the greater number, the bigger one. That's how you can figure out the distinct difference between greater than or equal to. Number 7, true or false. Inequalities can have more than one solution. For this one, it is true. This is because inequality signs, they show a range of answers. So it's different than the equality sign. For it's not saying there's only one answer. It's saying that any answers greater than 7 can be a solution. Okay, number 9. What does a solution to x is greater than 3 look like on a number line? So let's draw a number line. Let's do 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and so on. So it's a greater than sign. For greater than signs, you use an open circle. For greater than or equal to or less than or equal to signs, you use a closed circle. So here it's just greater than. So we're gonna use an open circle. At 3. Open circle at 3. Since it's greater than, we have to has to face the greater numbers to the right. That's how it's gonna look on a number line. Now moving on to part 2. Multi-step inequalities. Solve 2x plus 3 is greater than 11. So first subtract both sides by 3. You get 2x is less than 8. Divide both sides by 2 and you get x is less than 4. Number 2, solve 4x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 15. So add 5 to both sides. 4x is greater than or equal to 20. Divide both sides by 4 and you get 4x is greater than or equal to 5. Number 3, a number divided by 3. So x divided by 3 is greater. So greater than 8. Write and solve the inequality. So we drew out our equation and just gotta solve it. To get rid of a division, to get rid of the denominator, you just multiply both sides by 3 and you get x is greater than 24. Solve 6x plus 2 is less than or equal to 20. Subtract both sides by 2. 6x is less than or equal to 18. Divide both sides by 6 and you get x is less than or equal to 3. Nice job. Next work. Part 3. Word problems. Sam has less than $50. Less than $50 to spend. Movie tickets cost $12 each. How many tickets can he buy? So movie tickets cost $12 each. However, he has less than $50. So how many can he buy? So divide both sides by 12 and you get that's gonna be, let's simplify this so we can easily divide and get 225 over 6 is gonna be 4.1 and so on. However, you can't buy a 0.1 of a ticket. You can't buy 1/10 of a ticket. So the maximum amount of tickets he can buy with the money he has currently, he can only buy 4. Sam can buy only 4 tickets. Okay, question number 2. A pizza costs $8. You have at least $40. So less than or equal to, how many pizzas can you afford? So pizza costs $8. You have at least 40. How many pizzas can you afford? So divide both sides by 8 and you get, simplify the fraction, which is 20 over 2, 10 over 1. Wait, sorry. 2. 40 divided by 8 is 5. You can afford 5 pizzas. Okay, and that was the end of today's lesson. Thank you for staying with me and watching through this lesson video. See you next time. Bye.